प्यासा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा।
Hello, good morning everyone. On the occasion of Children's Day, I am Dr. Bhakti Munchandani. Under the guidance of Dr. Manu Parmar sir, Professor and HOD of Psychiatry Department, presenting you some topic on the Children's Day. Hello everyone. So, have you know that why and when the Children's Day begin to celebrate in India? Everyone know that Children's Day or Bal Divas celebrated in the memory of the Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. But history has more stories for it. On the 5th November 1948, first Children's Day was celebrated as a flower day by the Indian Council of Child Welfare to collect the funds for United Nations appeal for children through the sale of flower token. After that, on 30 July 1949, Children's Day was widely celebrated and published on radio and TV. In 1951, V.M. Kulkarni, a United Nations Social Welfare Fellow, while carrying out study on the rehabilitation of juvenile in UK, realized that there were no system to look after the underprivileged children in the India. So, inspired by Flag Day observed in England on the birthday of Queen Elizabeth to raise money for Save the Children Fund, Kulkarni suggested to celebrate the Flag Day on Nehru's birthday for collecting funds for NGO who work for the children welfare in India. At first, it was celebrated on November 20 on the occasion of Universal Children's Day. Then after, when Nehru's consent was sought in 1954, first Children's Day was celebrated in India on Nehru's birth anniversary. More than 50,000 school children attend the celebration in the National Stadium, Delhi. That was first Children's Day when the India celebrated the child welfare.
Myself, Kamani Srey, and I am going to continue this topic forward. So, why only Nehru's birthday was selected? Jawaharlal Nehru was affectionately called Chacha Nehru by children, and their faith in him was constant support and constant source of happiness for him. He also established Children Film Society India in 1955. M.O. Mathai wrote in his book My Days with Nehru that Nehru saw in their innocent faces and sparkling eyes the future of India. He was convinced that no amount of money spent on children and their mothers was too much, and that was sound investment for the future. What was Nehru's contribution for Children's Day? He started free primary education scheme along with midday meal program to enhance the engagement of children to education system. So, how was it celebrated and how it is celebrated in India? Children's Day is widely celebrated in India in all school colleges with different activities like games, speech performing, skits, dance, and special treats to the children. Quizzes and competitions are arranged for enhancing the competition and confidence of children.
Hello, good morning. Myself Krishna Arya. We will continue this topic. What can we do on Children's Day for better future for children around us? To support child psychological well-being as parents or caregivers can observe their behavior. First, listen patiently, spend quality time together, give children age-appropriate freedom, trust by involving them in decision. Rather than comparison, focus on positive reinforcement to build their self-esteem.
Right.
Create self-environment for child to grow. Encourage their curiosity. Encourage them even after the failure as mistakes are part of our life. We will end this session with quotation. सबको बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हर बच्चा एक सुरक्षित, स्वीकार करने वाला और प्रेम से भरे वातावरण का हकदार है। आइए उनके मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का इतना ही ईमानदारी से ख्याल रखें जितना शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य का रखते हैं। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank